Hello guys and gals, we're back with more Microsoft Sudoku dailies to do for December 27th of 2023. So, let's go. We have 4 days left, obviously, so let's see what we got. 4 will be 12, 12 is 90, it would be 90, we have these 3 to go. We have a hard mode, an easy, and a medium. We'll start off with this easy one, I guess, because usually these are, even easy ones are kind of difficult. And we're back, so let's see what we got here. What are we looking at? Okay, we have 13 moves to clear 6 blocks. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're 1 move ahead, actually. Okay, so right here, well, let's try this one, just off the top. 1, 2, well this has to be a 2 right here, so this is a 4. We're going to mark this, but I have another idea. Let's see if we can solve this. 1. Okay, so this could possibly be a 2. It can't be a 3, 4, 5, 6. It could be a 7, though. Unless we figure out what this is. We might be able to figure out what this is, actually. Let's do this one first, then. 1. This could possibly be a 2. Okay, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This could be a 9. It's either 2 or 9. This is either 2, 7, or 9, I think. Because of 7 there. Okay. So, we'll come back to that. Let's see if we can figure out this one. 1s. This has to be a 1 right here. Works for me. So, let's see what else we can learn here. 2s. Okay. That's kind of helpful. I like it. 6s. This has to be a 6. No doubt about it, that's a 6. That means this has to be 7. No doubt. Excuse me. Spit went down the wrong pipe. My saliva was going down the wrong pipe. Okay, we got 9s. Ooh. Nice. Okay, so this row is done. I mean this block, and this block is done too. So what does this leave for us here? 1, 2, 3. This leaves us a 4 then. Okay. This leaves us 1, 2. This leaves us a 3. Okay. This is either a 2 or 9. We decided that. So the 8 has to be right here. Good. And we figured out this was either 2 or 9. That has to be a 9 right there. This has to be a 2. Okay. So, this is either 7 or 9. This has to be a 7, basically, and that means this has to be a 9. So we have the bottom row done. This we figured out was a 2, actually. I think this has to be a 2. Yeah, this is a 2. So, let's try this. 1 right here. And we know this is a 2, so we can just put that in. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, this is a 3. And this has to be whatever's left over. This has to be a 7. Good. Okay, that just leaves this. Oh, and we might as well just do this. Nothing to it. Okay, so that's done. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll do the hard mode next. Just to be different. 4 columns, fewer than 3 mistakes. Okay, 4 columns. Okay, let's go ahead and, okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go row by row. I mean, block by block. So what we're looking at here is we need 4, which has to be right here, and this has to be a 3. Okay, now this block here looks like it'll be fun to figure out. But first, let's put in the ones here. Let's check 2s. I see 2 possibilities for 2 here. And let's see if we can figure out where the 2s go here. Okay, it looks like this has to be a 2 right here. Meaning this has to be a 2 right here. Okay. Oh, da 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 da. Okay, let's see. We need this to be 6, 5, 4. This has to be a 3, obviously. Boom. Let's see. We're only missing 2 here, one of which is a 9. Well, 9 doesn't help us. 8 doesn't help us either. Well, that's interesting. I guess that 8, 9. 8, 9. And that means that this has to be 7. This has to be a 7. No doubt about it. Okay, now we have these 3 up here. This upper crust, this row up here. This has to be a 5, by the way. 6 and 8 are the other ones. Alright then. Well, let's go ahead and look. 6, 8. 6, 8. Nice. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this. Okay, this has to be a 3 right here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well, I see 2 possibilities for 7. Let's go ahead and get that sorted. 8s. Well, we can check 9s too. And it looks like, yeah, okay. So 8, 9, 8, 9. Basically, we figured that would be what would happen. Okay, so let's go ahead. I know this is probably the one we want to do the least, but we'll at least get a working knowledge of it. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 right here. Check 5s. Right here. 6s actually. 6 is going to be a problem. Boop, boop, boop. 7s. 7, 7, 7. Check 8s. I see. Well, this has to be an 8 right here. And 9s. I see. Well, this tells me quite a bit, actually. We're going to have to... I'm going to play it safe and put the 9 here, too. Pretty sure this has to be a 1, though, so... Okay, well, this has to be a 9. Yeah. I figured as much, but I wasn't sure I wanted to take the risk. Okay, let's try this one. So that drops to 7, 6, 7, 6, which isn't bad at all, actually. So... let's go ahead and check this one. Let's see, I have 1s here. This has to be a 1 right here. Okay. 2, 3. This has to be a 3 right here. We need a 4. This has to be a 4 right here. This is hard, right? Doesn't seem all that difficult yet. They leave enough intuitive clues that it really isn't very difficult, which is the kind of puzzle I like. 2 possibilities for 6s. Well, we can mark those. 7s. Okay, we know this can't be a 7 here. Okay, well... this has to be a 6, obviously. Because the 8 was there, too. Okay, so... that just leaves 7 and 8. Okay. Oh, wait. This is a 7 right here. And this is a 6 right here. Okay. That was super helpful. Now, let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need a 7. 7, 8. And this could be 7, 8. Okay. Okay, well, we have these 6 done. Let's go down to this one, because it looks like it's the most difficult. And indeed... Okay, let's check 2s. This has to be a 2 right here. We'll check 3s. This has to be a 3 right here. 4, we have 5. C. And 9s. So now we need 6s. Okay. 3 6s. 7s. 2 7s. Okay, not bad. Okay. No, we can work that. We can work with that. Okay, this we can solve easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has to be an 8. Good. Here, let's see. We'll check 1s first. Well, obviously we need to put the 1s in. 6s. The only 6s that we're sure of. Okay, so 6s are going to be a little bit of a problem. We're going to put some 6s over here too. Okay. 7s. Can we narrow it down? Okay, we can narrow it down a lot. This helps a lot because we can go and do this. That means that this can't be a 7 right here, and this has to be a 7 right here. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. Now, oh, wait, we're not done yet. Let's see, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's check 9s. So, in other words, that was close. 9, 9. Okay, so let's try this one. We might be running into some problems here. We're going to do a little intuitive work. So we have 1s here. We need 2s. This has to be a 2 right here. 3s. We know where all the 3s are. Good. 4s. There's only one possibility for 4. We already know that. It's right here. Let's check 5s. How do we check 5s? Let's see. We just put a 5 right here, and we find out. No, we find out where the final 5 is. Easy. It's right there. Okay, and this has to be a 9. Nice. 8s. This has to be an 8 right here. The only possibility. Okay, so let's see what else we got. 9 is the only other option, and we've been having a lot of trouble with 9s, but this has to be a 9 right here. Yes, this has to be a 1 right here, and this has to be a 6 right here. Okay, let's find out where the final 1s are. Okay, well, we can't really figure that out yet. But okay, we know this is a 7 now. We know this is a 9. We know this is an 8. Oh, we win. Okay, that really wasn't very hard, thankfully. I didn't really find I felt like I was in control of the puzzle the whole time, so it was fine. Well, it was fun. I liked that one. I didn't feel hopeless. And we're back. So let's see, we need to do what now? I didn't notice. Rows. Okay. So we need to do 3 rows. Okay. I think what we'll do first is we'll do some columns. This column is almost done. Let's figure out what we need. We need a 5, which has to be right here. And we're also missing a 7, which goes right here. Okay, so columns eventually lead to rows. Okay, so we need a 2 right here, in here somewhere. I see 2 possibilities for 2. We might as well mark those. Okay. We need a 3 also. 3... Looks like we can use... There's 2 3s here. I wasn't exactly looking, but that popped right out. 3s. Okay, well, let's check 3s again. 3. Okay, well, we have 2 possibilities for 3 here. Since we're focusing on 3s, I guess. So it's telling me that this could be a 3, this could be a 3, and this could be a 3. So we're missing 4s. Okay, so this can't be a 4 here or here. That means this has to be a 4 right here. That's why we mark things. Also, we're only missing 1 5. So let's find out where that final 5 is. I think it's this pink shape down here. It's kind of this reddish pink shape. I think that we need to put the 5 right there. There we go. Okay, that's all the 5s. Now, I think that this has to be a 3 is what it's telling me. And this has to be a 2. Okay. Let's try this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5, which has to be... Okay, we already had the 5. We need 6. Okay. That's... Okay. So it means this could be a 6 here. And this could be a 6 here. 7. Okay, well, we have... we know this can't be a 7, then. Could it be a 6, though? No, it can't be a 6. This can't be a 6 either. That means this has to be a 6 right here, actually. I'm glad you thought to check that. Okay, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We're missing a 3. Which has to be right here. And this has to be a 7. Okay, and this has to be an 8. Obviously, this has to be an 8. It has to be a 6. Okay. This has to be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are missing a 7. We're also missing a 9. Neither of those help us. Guess we'll be marking those. 7, 9, 7, 9. Okay. We need 1s. Boop and boop. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing some 7s. We need some 7s. Okay, 7, 7, 7. We need some 8s. This has to be an 8 right here. And we need 9s. Do 9s help us at all? That's the question I always ask. Does a number help us? In this case, it doesn't. So, I guess that we go 9, 9, and 9. Okay. So, we could go to try this one now. Let's see, we got 1s. So I see 2 possibilities for 1 here. 2s. Okay, so 2s don't help us at all here. That's not great, but we'll work with it. I think that it'll be fine. 3, 4. Okay, so this has to be a 4 right here. Good. 5. Okay, we need 6s. Okay, well, there's a 6. There's 2 possibilities for 6s, in other words. So let's mark those. Yeah. This has to be a 2, by the way, I think. And then, okay. This has to be a 1, and this has to be a 6. Okay. Good. Okay, we're getting closer to the rows now, and that's closer to what we need. Let's go down here. Oh, wait. Why is there a 3 here? I see. Because it has to be 3. That makes sense. Okay, 2s. Okay, so 2s. Okay, so I think that this has to be a 2 right here. Good. Okay, because we have 2s coming down here to break those. Going across, it's just kind of a mess. Okay, so we have 2 possibilities for 2 here, which we'll mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixes, sevens. Okay, sevens. Okay, well, this can't be a 7 either. I think we need to mark these as 7s. Yeah. Okay, we need to mark these two as 7s also. I'll check 9s. Okay, well, 9s are... Well, we're missing 6 of them for one thing. This has to be a 9 at right here, actually. Okay. And this has to be a 7. And, okay, this has to be whatever's left over. 1. This has to be a 1, actually. Okay, now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's looking like one of these has to be 4. 5. One of these has to be 6. Well, this obviously has to be the 4, and this has to be the 6. Okay, so we have 7, 2, 7, 2. We need to figure out which is which. Now up here, we shouldn't have too much trouble figuring this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 and 9 are up here. And it doesn't look like there's any readily helpful solution here. So 8, 9, 8, 9. I saw something. Okay, we only have 1 6 left. Let's figure out where the 6 is. Looks like it's this blue shape. Okay, so we can go doop, doop, this. Nice. What about 3s? I need me some 3s. Four. And this. 4. Okay, well, we have lots of 3s, but not very many 9s. It's looking like this has to be 9, though, which is going to help us a lot. We know this has to be a 7. We know this has to be a 1. And we know this has to be a 7. And we know this has to be a 9. There we go. Nice. Let's go. $600. Let's go. We made it to level 150, actually, which is pretty cool. And we're only 50 points away from that badge. Okay, so, anyways, as you can see, we still have quite a few challenges left. 81. 12. It will be 12. Yeah, we got 12 challenges left. 4 days left. Okay, so anyways, as you can see, we've done every single challenge today. And we've done every single challenge this month so far, at least 4 days. 2, 3, and 4. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, or if you want to join the Discord server, all the information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.